So you guys remember when we just the other day, when I had a dark mode generator, it was VGA and dark mode generator, still VGA, and we're still in that mode. So we're gonna run through some page right now that AI did. Some of them with different color, not keeping the consistency in color. Like, oh, this is white. You should have every page that follow it that belongs to it be white. But I guess that's not so. And then talk. Okay, I had a trip with Luna. Said one time we talked to Luna and we asked Luna a question, and about six voices came like the agent confused. So it's like the agent don't program the agent right. Okay. So this man like a gentleman get up every day and I said, "What's up, Luna?" And the computer said, "I'm here. I'm good." But because they are distributing agent or the agent making a bunch of error happening, then when I got the comment, "What's up, Luna?" You know what the computer said? "My name is not Luna. I'm just here to answer you." I said, "Good, that's what I wanted to find. That's why I keep doing that." Right? And we had a little chat. And then the agent they said, "It'd be a good thing, yeah, if it be like, to keep the brand going, that mean the browser has Luna and Lunar, and then you have Luna throughout the whole website." I'm like, okay. But, so I got to see that the agent, because reason why I start doing this research, because I am digging into the file a little bit at a time, and I reach on to the area where they write out the agents for the page, right? And I'm looking at all these multiple agent statement. I'm like, what is this? It should be just one agent statement. Even though Google Gemini said, Van, it's kind of really difficult to make one agent really do one task, be like opening windows, traveling through the site, doing this, doing that. But then afterward, we there rapping for a while. The agent says, "So what? You want to build this?" I'm like, "Yeah, okay, fine. I'm gonna give you all the right prompt." So because I've been prompting the system to do some things, and it's some more trying to figure out exactly, and it's getting a part where some of them good, some of them forward, and like the computer is making me a recorder. That one is recording the AI one, but we still having failure in the multi-track one. So I asked Google, Gemini, about all this stuff. And each prompt that I asked, because I did it one by one, till I came down to the multi-track studio, till I had Google Gemini write me like some files, like, yo, give the AI this prompt. You know what? Give the AI this. So then I saw a JavaScript. So I'm like, I might give the AI the agent that script. Yes, put the script on the bottom of this that I on the prompt and give it to him. You know what I mean? And then we talk about teleops being like WhatsApp and everything. And it's like, cool, all right. He start thinking. He comes back to me, and even came up with teleops guard and some more stuff that the agent need to put in. So my messenger is exactly like WhatsApp. No different. It's telephone call across network lines. But if you have like I'm saying, you have internet so you can make free telephone call through SMTVS. It's that kind of situation. But you can still send your message and all that stuff. So it's like a WhatsApp, don't it? Let's travel through these development pages. So as we talk. And so this is our service page, and we come up blue. Oh God. And then we come over here and we come up green, the architecture, the chief architect, super chief architecture, AI, one of certain things. Oh, you come up in green, right? All right. And we come over here and we have a testing here, so we kind of got back white, still kind of match, right? And we come over here now and we talking about the Application Development Center. You understand me, David? Because it all started here, when I said, okay, I'm building an application and the program is just printing out the files from me. By really building an application, but just building the files and it's not it's not compiled, or we don't even have an apps version to really do it. So I start talking to Gemini about like that, and he's like, "Yo, hold up, let me give you some stuff." So let me give you the right prompt, so your agent can do this. You know what I mean? And that's where it started right here. get this one together. Where I did it the other day by making a prompt and everything spinned out here, but I don't see a physical unit. We need to see the physical unit. So if we build a amplifier, a mixer, when we're done, we see the mixer board in the window, and we can check it. Check it right at the point. If I had a sound card on my thing, I can hook it up and see everything works. You know what I mean? So we ask the other AI to work out all these stuff with the media part of the business. Making sure, even though like I said to the AI, I gave the AI prior prompts, including I gave the AI even physical example that I have offline that's working, recording multi-track and stuff for him to follow the instruction. It still seems like he's still thinking about it in a lot of ways. So I'm saying maybe the wrong way I'm prompting him. So that's what well, if I got a book, I got a book. I got a book. To the AI, so when I said thanks, he said, wow, Van, you have a serious comprehensive amount of things right there. I want to see those applications running. That's what the AI said to me. And then said, listen, don't do anything. First, you make the AI work on your teleops and put in your teleops guard and all that. And after you do that, then start giving them what I give you one by one, the AI say. And so you can build your system the right way. So the AI is like jumping on my side and everything, like, okay, I'm giving you this, so he builds your system the right way. So, a lot of stuff that I'm going to cut off, though, I'm going to cut off this virtual one here, this one here, and this one here, and this one here. No, this one I will leave up. This bad boy, we're not going to freeze those. We may freeze them, though, but certainly we won't freeze Luna. Because he gave me some serious data and how I can get the AI to construct a real life walking model, Luna walking up in the scream at you. Because after I said about we are talked about my Luna browser, and I said, just like how, Gemini on and everything, and Ray, it's like, okay, yeah, you want always on live, and Ray responding to command, but yes. So I'm just talking to the computer talking to me, waiting for me. And then when we get over to the 3D, we want that to happen, but we want Luna to be walking up and down in the screen. And we also talk about, even gave me the architectural setup for having the one AI throughout my network, across my core network, one AI. Not 4, not 5, but one super agent. Because the way we're going to have the agent to administrate within the system, and it's splitting up itself, but it's still the one agent. You guys understand the whole drift? So, I'm coming up with a lot of stuff and building things in the computer. I have the ideas and some know about a lot of stuff, like the real working studio stuff that we work with every day. And we have practical knowledge of other things, right? So to break it down or to make it become electronically sound like the real world thing, I thought of everything. So I thought of, Van, you're a human being and you're speaking to the computer, but the computer is still doing relatively near what you're saying. But you have to change the directive, how you direct the computer to move, and it's a way of thinking. So the only person can tell you how an AI think is our next AI. And when the computer says, you want me to give you all the right prompts to them so you can give to your agent, so your agent will build your system right? Yes. So enough respect, and big respect to Google. Yeah. I tell you guys that Google going to get my money. When we get the system done, everything compensated 100%, the first person going to get some advertisement dollars at Google. I'm going to say Facebook too, because Facebook has been a really good place, and I've been getting over there, and I love that, because that make me feel good, and then they're making a commercial them already, and we are I make them. I like in my my Google account, YouTube. I have a lot. I mean, a lot of advertisement clips I made, and I load them up in there that's private, cause we don't intend to just show a commercial for free. We show one as a test, like the same thing I did on Facebook, but we still making them and storing them. And pretty much when I'm ready to do a commercial at Facebook, we can grab one of those one that I did. I did an extensive long one yesterday, so I'm gonna have to get them in there, and then we do them look ad there. But we don't want to run ad and the system don't 100%. You know what I'm saying, guys? We can't invite you over. We only can mainly test out the ad thing where I did it already. So we don't need to go back making no more ads for you guys to see ads. You already know the ad thing working. But other things where you may not see, I might be doing that. Today I come and give you like the full information of the upgrade on the browser and what's going to be going on with Luna, having Luna avatar walk around. Because when you put on VR, it be like you inside with Luna, you know, right? And to improve our VR world builder. Wow, I never covered that. I gotta go back. So when I get off this thing, I'm gonna talk to the AI again. I talked about everything to, well, I'm gonna wait on the other AI because the VR browser is the other AI, is the agent creation. The agent's doing good so far, but we're gonna give her some jump. Yeah. So thanks you guys. I'm here at VGA blog, the tech blog at smtvs.com. We are actually renewing SMTVS, overhauling the full network. So it's almost like we are just dormant right now in the net. If you're watching our video on YouTube or on Facebook, you just know that if you go over to the site, you can sign up. I'll grab your information and send it where it needs to be. I'll send you a letter that, hey, use this to come into the new part of the site. But yeah, you can just hang out and for some more weeks while we get this together. And when we drop, it's like a real thing for the people, right? And especially I wrap it up for people around here in Jamaica with it and let them know the seriousness. So when teleapps come, and you can download teleapps in out of our store, and you can go to Google Play Store because it's going to be there. And we see about the Microsoft thing, and we're going to see about the Apple because everything. I noticed like things, but sometimes people build stuff and it's not working on Mac. Macintosh is my first computer. That's the system I was trained in computer thing on, development and all that, not on Windows. So if I'm developing stuff, that's why people, because I understand Macintosh computer long, that's why we worked on. When I moved from Commodore computer, I went right to buying a Mac. And then Windows down in later years. So I'm a Macintosh guy. See, so I've just been jumping from system to system, right? And so you guys, keep coming back and checking out the blog. I'm still doing stuff. This will give a tour of the VR, our VR studio. A VR studio we can prompt the AI to create new 3D stuff, right, for us, right? But I got into the cinematic thing with the AI, having me showing me how and what I need to do to have. You see a text, it turns into an animation. The image turned to an animation. It's animated. I have animated character. I have all that down pat now. Video to animation. I just upload a picture and it turns into a video. Give it action and motion because we explain we into movie. In the music side, oh yeah, sing a song, make a song, a whole complete song for you. Hum a song, do and it takes that and make a song for you. You know what I mean? Give it a picture of yourself at the same time. It makes the music video alongside with you. So guys, I'm not even playing. Because I told the AI, yo, I got a image generator or video generator. I need to update that. I have a animation engine already, but I don't want it to go side on side and forward and backwards. I want the real thing to happen. And we also want a way into the system so I can go on and copy a bunch of different video with different kind of action and stuff like that and dump it in there and it follow that as a reference, you know. So we can almost have any kind of action. You understand? I'm asking, yo, leave the door open so I can put action. When it comes to the music, I said, leave the door open. So I'm going to come and I'm going to dump a bunch of sound inside the whooper. Different old reggae music, this, that, clips of all kind of genre and everything. So you'll be able to create a world of music for you, you know? So, you know, people don't understand, say, the AI, them have a reference to turn your stuff into movie, animation, build a song for you, all that. Those references need to be in the system for them, something for them to refer to. Oh, see the man might jump. Okay, so Vaughn wants to be jumping now. Let's let Vaughn jump. It's simply moving my image over that motion jumping image and make it look like I'm jumping. Magic, right? Okay, you guys, you take care, and we're gonna still go through the VR thing, and we got our dashboard, and we got right here our views, right, analytics stuff, and then we have right here, this is our VR viewer, right, and this is our, what is it called? It's the stage builder to build a stage. Some players, let's back up some now. What is here? Yes, we have a builder to build objects that we're going to need to have in there, music or whatever. So you guys take care until the next time VGA comes around and give you some more information. Yeah, and I spend my better part of my Sunday just doing research with Google Gemini. And for all you guys out there, you need good information, you can come to Google and really sit down at the computer and really talk to the AI there. And the AI gives you really big help. So I'm bigging up Google for that. And you guys, I'm saying, if you need to like do research and everything, go to your Google browser, bring in Gemini, type or talk, everything is good. Because from the other day, for about a month or going on 2 months now, that has been my road to sit at my computer and talk to Chrome AI, our super agent, right? To help us have our browser reach to the level where we want to reach. And to have an AI that can do multitasking, you know what I mean? By running the network at the same time while answering, talking, selling, doing a bunch of stuff. Okay, you guys take care. Bang, 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 bang.